Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to leave a feedback in the Brussels Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Help and Feedback button. And then click on the App Feedback button. So as you can see, the first question is your experience with the application. So if you were very satisfied, then you can just give a five star. If you were less satisfied, then obviously less stars. So this feedback is anonymous, so you will not be revealed or anything, and you can always contact them for specific questions. Then you can select a category that you were very satisfied with or not so satisfied, and then you can leave comments or suggestions on how to improve those, or if you were very satisfied, then you can just write that. And you can also upload a screenshot of any issue that you had here, so it's easier for them to detect the problem and find a solution for it. And again, just last note is that it's completely anonymous, and they will not reveal you in any shape or form. And if you're ready with everything, just click on the Send button. And your feedback is there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.